What's good? It's MI. Today I want to talk about meeting outliers. You don't meet outliers in normal places on a normal schedule. You see, the world is split into different planes, and each plane has its own rhythm. It's its own world, and these worlds swell at different times. Examples include rush hour, weekends, or peak vacation time. Sometimes they overlap. The most common one is the mainstream, aka wagey world, wagey time. If you stay on wagey time, you're limited to wagey options. The step out is the internet. Because the internet is a parallel universe that exists outside of time. And that's how you escape the matrix. You create a system in that parallel universe to leverage your time differently. Online income opens your time to choose a better rhythm.
I would say the only downside is, as you put it, that
Choosing your rhythm is the ultimate thing that decides what you do with yourself, what you have access to. It costs more than $1,000 a night to stay in a place like this. And I'm here during the week, on a Monday, in the middle of the day. You don't see normies here at this time, in this place. Only outliers come here. And outliers are the way they are because they live differently. If you only interact with outliers, you have access to different information that normies don't get. If you only stay in normie world, you only have access to normie influences and normie information. If you kick it with outliers all the time, you see the world differently. You meet outliers by living like one. It blows my mind how people don't run the numbers on things like this. They want to meet the rare people who know things they don't, yet they move like everyone else does. You have to go where it's different. You have to move different. You have to think different. You have to act different. And then your results will be different. You don't get the results that no one else has by moving exactly like everyone else does. So if you want to learn more about that, be sure to like, comment, follow, share, subscribe, and click link in bio for more.